Wanda, she's quiet. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun ang culprit. Pretending doesn't know anything. Tingnan niya. Tingnan niya mouth. Yan o, punong-puno. Yake. Yummy? O yake? Okay, let's go inside. You just been to the park eh. Ilagay ko sa leash. Okay, we'll go inside. Go inside na. Heh? Aray? Sleepy? O, doon ka mag-sleep sa loob. Busog na. Busog na ng ng wood. Oh. Look at that. Laway pa more. Pingot ang tenga. Pingot, pingot, pingot. Say, make a lip set out. Say, sorry. Sorry si daddy. May mga carrots dun, oh. Ayun. Sino ito carrots? Nakinain naman. Ayun na pa, ayun. Carrots. Ayun na pa ka na yun. Yeah? Spider eye. Okay, let's go inside.